The job market in the US is smoking hot right now. The unemployment rate is 3.8%, which is like a 50-year low. And then there are 11 million jobs out there that can't get filled because there's not enough people out there to hire. And companies are willing to pay up to get good talent right now. But look, the job market's not going to stay this red hot forever. It's definitely going to change. But if you're thinking about entering the job market, this may be a really good time to do it, particularly if you've been at your company for a very long time. Now, don't make the same mistake I've seen a number of people make, which is they perpetuate their underpayment as it relates to compensation. What do I mean? Well, what happens is if you've been at a company for a very long time, you've really never had a mark-to-market adjustment in terms of your compensation or your pay. For the most part, you probably haven't, and you're probably below the market where you should be right now. Now, what happens is you go into the marketplace not knowing what your value should be, and you get like an 8 or a 10 or maybe a 15% raise, but you're still really below what the real market value of your skill sets are. Do not go into this job market not knowing your full value. If you need help figuring that out or need help negotiating an offer you're expecting to receive, send me a direct message. I can help you.